Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department Humanity Science. We continue this example is the part of the second video hour. We continue from this. I highlight here some using the pen. We have to must know about the 290 0 to 90 first quadrant. The angles are first angle is we have to consider 30. Second angle is 45. Third angle is 60 and last angle is 90. So we have to most focus about the 30, 45, 60 and 90 angles. Next we have to most focus about the 180 directly, that is the standard angle. Next we have to most focus about the 270 degree angle, and last but not least our 360 degree angle we have to consider. So how we have to perform these? By using trigonometric ratios using this angle. Let us check. In this diagram you can see the 45 angles are the opposite angles and it is the 90 degree. Value is root 2 given 1. Why? By using the Pythagoras theorem, 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square. That's why it is square root 2 is hypotenuse. Now 30, 60, 90, root 3 is the one side and 1 is the one side. So we have to, how do we establish the hypotenuse 2 is there? I use the pen here to give the thing. We know that h square is equal to a square plus b square. So what is the value of a? Adjacent side we have to take, suppose. So it is obviously root 3 square plus 1 square. Root 3, root get cancelled. Answer is 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 4. But h square is equal to 4. That's why h is equal to 2. Square root of 4 is 2. That's why hypotenuse is 2 here. In this diagram, we have to establish same thing. I erase first thing. We know that h square is equal to a square plus b square. What is the a square here? It is 1. What is the b square? 1. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So h square is 2. Taking square root of both sides, h is equal to root 2. So in this diagram, hypotenuse is root 2. That's why hypotenuse is root 2 and here is the 2. Now, main thing is that we have to cover, that is the, we have to must know hypotenuse upon adjacent and opposite. It is totally based on which angle we have to consider. If I get the theta, the adjacent side is this, opposite side is this and this is the hypotenuse. If we have to consider theta here, it is now adjacent and it is opposite and it is hypotenuse. So sine theta is important. Sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. I erase first this all this thing. So sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Cos theta is hypotenuse upon opposite. Sec theta hypotenuse upon adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent upon opposite. Now start from this diagram. We have to find, suppose, sine 45 degree. Suppose I consider it is the h for hypotenuse. It is adjacent and it is opposite. Okay. So sine 45 we have to consider opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is what? Opposite side means we have to consider the opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side give the value is what? Opposite side is obviously 1. Upon hypotenuse is what? Root 2. Okay. So sine 45 gives from this diagram value is 1 upon root 2. Now we have to take now cos. Cos 45 is obviously what? adjacent upon opposite, adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? I have 1 upon adjacent side, it gives the same value 1 1 here. That's why it is 1 upon which value we have to consider, the 1 upon root 2. So cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Now tan means sine upon cos. Always remind that tan 45 is equal to, always remind that is what, opposite upon adjacent, that is opposite upon adjacent, that is opposite upon 1 upon 1, so it is 1. So in this way we define the sine 45, cos 45, tan 45. Now cosec is opposite upon sine, so I write here value directly, cosec 45, so cosec 45 is what, hypotenuse upon opposite, so it is obviously 1 upon sine theta, so root 2 get value, so root 2 is there. Next what, sec 45, it is 1 upon cos, so root 2 again. Cot means 1 upon tan, means 1 upon 1. So in this way we define the sine 45, cos 45, tan 45, cosec 45, sec 45 and cot 45. So I use these. So 45 degree we establish sine, it is 1 upon root 2, cos 1 upon root 2, tan 1 upon 1 and cot is 1. And sec cosec we have to define. This table we have to clear about that thing. Yes. Now I use there now we have to start now our basic thing, that is we have to take now sine 90. Okay, I here take suppose sine 90 in this diagram, opposite upon height, it is 90 degree. Okay, so sine 90 opposite upon hypotenuse, opposite side means what we have to take now, which value? Okay, so sine 90 is 1 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we have to consider it is opposite side and we have to convert it is in a hypotenuse side. So that's why using this table, sine 0 is 0. Using all this diagram we can establish sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cot is not defined. Sine 30 1 upon 2, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, tan 1 upon root 3, cot 30 root 3. Sine 45 1 upon root 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1. Sine 60, it is root 3 upon 2, cos 60 1 upon 2, tan 60 1 root 3, cot 60 1 upon root 3. Sine 90 1, cos 90 0, tan 90 not defined and cot 90 0. So using this diagram only we have to establish the table. So it is the trick to remind all the value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec using the 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 angle. Using this diagram only we have to establish all the thing which we have to consult. So in this way today's lecture is over, to define what exactly the values of the angle we have to consider using this type of the 45, 45, 90 degree, 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, and using our sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec and cot relation to establish all the thing which we have to consult. So in this way it is easily to define, and I give the trick to define. So today's lecture is over.